Hello and namaste guys, welcome back to Ishita House Factory Outlet. I am your friend Nitish Sharma and in today's video I am going to show you a premium collection of kurti. As you can see there is so much of customer in this department and this is our totally kurtis department. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel Ishita House Manufacturers, go and subscribe it. And guys, if you are planning to start your business, so you only have to invest 25,000 and you can start your business. We have all type of ladies wear. You can get every type of ladies wear under a single roof. You will get sarees, kurtis, dress material, fabric, lehenga, everything. So guys, what you are waiting for? Don't go here and there, only come to Ishita House. And we have a COD also, we have so many other things also. You can use your card, you can also use cash, and you can place your order and be a part of Ishita House. So without wasting your time, I'm showing you the first concept of kurti. This is a totally handwork and you will get a 12 color of it, different designs and different color, and you will get a different type of fabrics also, like cotton, silk, poly cotton, and all of that kind of. And if you are planning to start your own business, so start your business with Ishita House. You only have to invest 25,000 and you will become your own owner of your business. So the next concept is a floor length kurti. You will get an amazing design and you can also wear this in the summer also, because this is so comfortable and this is totally made up of pure cotton material. You will get a flower designs on it and you will also can see a little stars on it. And this is a awesome collection. And the other concept is also like handmade design and handmade pattern, and this is a poly cotton fabric, and you will also get a half shoulder sleeves in it. And the another concept is a shrug concept. In this concept you will see the amazing design, fantastic colors, and also you will get a 12 colors of it with the premium design and premium fabric. And the next concept is a two-piece concept. In this you will get a embroidery work in a kurti and you will also get a pant with it. And the bottom wear is a totally designed. You can see the borders of this pant. This is amazingly designed, and there is a dupatta in this also. And the another concept is a digital printing concept with a zari work on it, and you can also see a stars on a neck. And this is totally stitched with a premium threads, and this is a totally ethnic collection, and you will get a 12 pieces of it. And with it you will also get a bottom of it, and with a proper dupatta. The dupatta is totally digital print and totally designed with the same embroidery printing, and there is a little stars on it, as you can see in a detailing, and everything is premiumly designed on it. And guys, if you still didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates and more thing. And our main channel is Ishita House Factory Outlet. Go and subscribe that also. And here is a 3/4 length size sleeves kurti over here, and here is a embroidery work on it. There is a dupatta also with a 2 colors, and the bottom is totally proper pant style bottom, and here also you will get a embroidery work on it. The another concept is a totally premium and a Jaipuri concept. In this you will get the amazing designs over here in the bottom, the design on the neck. You can see the peacocks, the flowers, everything is premiumly designed. And the bottom is also very good, a stretchable bottom. You will get a stretchable bottom in it. And if you are planning to start your business, so only come to Ishita House. You will get everything, all type of ladies wear in a single roof, and you only have to invest 25,000 and you can start your business by your own. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You will get every updates fastly, quickly. And we are the only one who are manufacturing all product with a premium and ethnic fabrics. So don't waste your time, only come to Ishita House and place your order. So if you like this whole collection, so subscribe our channel, like our video, and the main thing is, if you like any of the concept, any of the color of the thing, so just comment down below, and don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe our channel and help others to do business and come and join Ishita House. See you in a next video with a new and amazing concept. Till then, bye. See you all.